tube. Back out again on this nice cold Friday morning. Beautiful. Down at Claverton Canal, Canaan, all good. It's about 4 degrees today. Beautiful. We shall be walking along here and see what's about. We'll go down to Morley Wear, have a look at the pumping station where the river water gets pumped up to the canal, and look at the train line. So just looking down over here, look, over the bank. There, just there, and back here, look. Just here, look, looks like there's a track. Look, there's some activity from our animals. Wonder if it's worth putting my camera up. Don't know. I have found a little few steps down the bank. Might go down and have a nose. See what it is. Few steps there, look. You stay around there. What is it? Nothing special. Bit bright out today. Beautiful day. Just walking along here a bit. Not too far. Next week I might do a walk from Bathampton down to the canal, and then along the canal a bit and then back up round. A little short walk. It's quite nice up round there. It's further that way. So you know, all good. See what happens. Hopefully the weather's like it is today. Right, we'll go on down now to the railway line, and have news. I've got a wildlife camera back up and running. I've been having some problems where it's not been working properly, so got a new one, and that's is back up and running. It's been a bit quiet on the old wildlife front. So quite glad I got it back. Oh, here comes a wide beam. I don't know if it's an electric. It sounds very quiet. Beautiful, beautiful. I sold me Sony camera. Got another GoPro. I quite like GoPros. So I've got two GoPros now, and my boy can use them both if he wants in goal. So he plays football, 16 now, and he uses them to like assess himself. See how he's doing, if he's positioning himself. Alright, so he's used one, You might use two now. Two, one in each corner, so you're pretty much covered in gold now. That's good. With this cold weather, it's been frosty. I've had a heater in the polytunnel of the on my allotment. Hopefully it's kept warm enough to keep the frost out, because lavender's coming, globe thistles are coming, which is all good. Quite enjoying me allotment. Anyway, where we are at the railway track now. I can hear a train coming. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright then, YouTube. Don't forget, subscribe for free. Press the like button. Helps out the channel and all that. And I shall see you next week. Bye.